This video explains how to buy shares of Corporation América Airports SA, ticker CAAP, listed on NASDAQ. Corporation América Airports is an airport operator managing terminals and ground services, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade CAAP, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CAAP to locate the correct listing. Confirm the search result matches Corporation América Airports SA before proceeding. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart to see recent movements. Make sure the name, NASDAQ listing, and the CAAP ticker match the company you intend to buy. Choose Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to place, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the order can be confirmed. Once executed, your CAAP position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below if you want to follow the same platform example.